Okay, so if you have a Westie, then you'll most definitely have a roof light, and most of you will be familiar with trying to put one of these curtains up over your roof light using the Velcro, and you will probably know also that it is pretty much impossible to get it to stick there. And I'm making a real hash of it here, you can see, but it just doesn't stay. So that is where this guy from Canada came up with these great mozzie screen stroke blackout blinds. In the pack itself you get the screen, the mozzie screen, you get the blackout insert, you get two fixing brackets that will enable the blackout screen to stay in place, and then two bolts with extenders that go onto the hinge bolts, which you'll see in a minute. So the first thing you need to do is just pop off your grey nut covers, just like that. Now you get your two bolt extenders with the new bolts and screw them onto the existing hinge bolts. You don't need to undo these nuts or anything. All you do is you take the covers off and then gently screw these straight over the top, and those will give you your new basis for the screen to be fixed in onto. Now you don't have to do this next bit, it just depends how tight your roof light surround is. Mine's quite tight, so I'm going to take these four covers off and just loosen the bolts, and that will just give you that bit of extra room to be able to slide the screen underneath the lip of the surround. The next thing is you get your screen, and this now slides up under here gently. Slide it into position. Like so. Keep sliding in until you get the holes lining up with the bolt extenders that you have just put in this side. So it's a nice tight fit, and that's now in position. So you can see these two holes here now line up with the bolt extenders. You now want to put in, you've now got your little latches here, so you want to put a bolt through and slide that up into there. Now it's worth putting a bit of nail varnish or something similar just to fix that bolt in place in a second. Get your 8mm wrench and just tighten it up so you've got a nice bit of movement there, but not too much. Yeah, that's good. And then that's all done now. You've just got to put your caps back on here and here and here, your four caps. Tighten those bolts up that you loosened here for this. And now that's your mozzie screen in place. And then you can take your blackout screen here, slide these to the side. That will now fit up into place there, and you have your blackout screen for your lines. And that's it, pretty simple. It's very nice. I think I might paint this the same grey as this, but otherwise it looks great. So you can undo it like that, slide the screen out, and there's your mozzie net, and your screen, your skylight works as it ever did, but obviously no insects coming in now.